Hi everyone, Day Trader Matt here, EminiTradingPit.com. I haven't done a trading recap in quite a while, so I wanted to do one today. So today is Friday. We had two trades, and we basically gave us 40 points or $2,000. Now, if you're trading more contracts, obviously that monetary price is going to be more, but the 40 points, that's going to stay the same. So that's basically what we did. We made two trades. The market opened right in here and just started to push higher. We sat on our hands and watched as the market moved up, because part of being a consistently profitable trader means you're not going to be in every single move. You have to be okay with that. You're not going to make money on every single trade. Got to be okay with that. So being a consistently profitable trader means that you wait for your setups and then you take them. And that's exactly what we did today. The price went down here, and as it came back up, we got short right here. We shorted, we took partial profits, so 3-point partial profit, and then we rode the rest down, and we ended up flipping right down here. So we shorted initially at 67, 42.67, took a 3-point partial profit, and then we flipped down here. Now, I teach a system of trading at minimum 2 contracts, and that gives us the best risk reward, because that allows us to take partial profits, which if we're risking 2 points, we're taking a 3-point partial. That's not the best risk reward, but then we get the runners like today, for example, and that's exponentiates our risk reward and gives us a better way to take money out of the markets. So I think that 2 contract minimum really gives people a good edge in the markets. So that's really what I'm looking for. Can you trade with 1 contract? Yes. I would not recommend it, just because the amount of reward that you can grab, you really would have to swing trade at that point and not day trade to be able to do well consistently. That's my opinion, but that's my style. That's what I believe. So we shorted up here, came down, flipped it at 49.5, 42.49.5, which makes me look smart in hindsight, but I want to let you know that I don't normally pick the tops and the bottoms. Usually it's one or the other. And you can see on this trade here, this long, you can see that I did get out down here. So we took partial 3 points again. And then we kind of just rolled it up, and I got out at 42.66, which, yeah, it was a little bit prior to this, but now you can see price is actually pushing up a little higher. So if I would have held, yeah, I could have come out with a little bit more. I don't really care. I am a trader where I'm a day trader. I like to get in, take what money I can get, and then leave. You can see it's 10:42 right now. Price is pushing up. We've already closed the room. We closed the room. We made 40 points on 2 trades. That's awesome. So on a Friday, why would you want to stick around? You've made 2 trades, 40 points. I got out at 66, so around 10:13. So I'm finished before 10:15, and I can go off and do other things, like recording a video, for example. But I wanted to show this as stuff that we're actually doing. Now, do I make every money on every trade? Of course not. That's impossible. Nobody can make money every single trade. And I've heard a lot of people say they can, and that's just scares me. But anyway, that's what we did today. I wanted to highlight a couple swing trades that I did make. So let me do that really quickly. Okay, guys, so this is the Canadian dollar. I do love trading futures, so I day trade the ES primarily, and then I swing trade the NASDAQ and various other futures, currency futures, the a lot of the grains, the soybeans, the wheat, stuff like that. So I do enjoy futures, sometimes gold. But anyway, this is the Canadian futures, and we did make a few swing trades this week. I got long right here on this candle and took off partial profits at 75 and then 74.20 on the remainder. So made money on that one. And then I got long down here again a few days ago. And now price is pushing up again. So in profit on that one. But that's one swing trade that we made this week that I'm actually kind of excited on. I called this spot here. I put it on the charts as price was pushing up here. Actually, I believe it was right on this candle here on the 17th of April. And I was kind of waiting for price to come down. And that a lot of times trading is like that. It's a waiting game, especially if you're trying to swing trade over multiple days to weeks to months. It's a lot of waiting, and that's why I day trade the ES, and then I swing trade a lot of other markets. Just because as I'm waiting on those trades to set up, I can be day trading, and then when those trades do come down to my order, whatever it is, I can get long then and manage it. So it makes it a lot less stressful. I'm not trying to day trade 20 different markets. I'm day trading one market and swing trading about 15 to 20 other markets. You're not always in a trade, but when you do get in a trade, for the most part, you do pretty well. My risk I try to keep very small, so that way my profits can just grow and grow. So hopefully that does make sense. I wanted to show this just to let you know a little bit about what we do in the day trading room. So with that, hopefully you did enjoy the video. Any comments down below, you can always ask. No such thing as a dumb question. If you have any questions whatsoever, throw them down in the comment section below, because in my experience, if one person has a question and asks it, usually a lot of other people have that same question. They just haven't asked it yet. So with that, thanks for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you around the markets. Take care and have a great weekend.